the biggest event in Hollywood, where the world's top fashion icons gather to showcase their style, and where Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds have always been a tradition. But this year, something is off. Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds are about to miss the Met Gala 2025, and this is not just any absence. This will be their third consecutive year skipping the event. But why? Is Blake Lively's legal battle the reason behind it? Or is there a bigger truth hidden behind this? Now, if you think Blake and Ryan made this decision recently, think again. According to TMZ, the couple had already decided to skip the 2025 Met Gala long before Blake's legal dispute with Justin Baldoni even became public. Yes, you heard that right. Sources confirmed that Blake and Ryan's absence has nothing to do with the legal drama. It's purely a coincidence that this news came out now. But wait, there is another exciting twist. Talking about the Met Gala without mentioning Blake Lively is impossible. She is not just another celebrity on the red carpet. She creates Met Gala history every time. The most iconic moment, the 2022 Met Gala, when Blake Lively arrived in a costume at Lair Versace gown. Initially, a bronze gold dress, but as she ascended the Met steps, the gown magically transformed into a stunning aqua shade. That moment broke the internet, and that same year, Blake and Ryan served as official co-chairs of the event. But since then, 2023 and 2024, both years, they skipped the Met Gala, and now 2025 as well. According to page 6, Blake and Ryan are missing the Met Gala to spend quality time with their children. However, just a few weeks ago, they were seen attending SNL's 50th anniversary celebration together. So clearly, they are not completely off the radar. So is this really just a family decision, or is there something bigger behind the scenes? This year's Met Gala theme is super fine, trailering black style. It's a menswear focused theme designed to be flexible so that celebrities can bring their own creative interpretations. But will the Met Gala be the same without Blake and Ryan? Or will we get an unexpected surprise instead? What do you think? Is their absence just a personal choice, or is there a hidden reason behind it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you also want to see Blake Lively give us another unforgettable Met Gala moment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.